Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Microsoft Outlook working offline. So guys, in this bottom side you will see working offline. So to resolve this problem and to remove this line, here click on send or receive, and just guys you have to click on work offline. So it will try to connect as we can see here, and after few seconds you will see that line is removed, and now you will see connected to Microsoft Exchange. So this way just you have to two step, click on send or receive and click here work offline. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you or not.